How to upload YouTube Shorts from PC. So if you want to upload YouTube Shorts from PC, then first you need to open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, you need to go with the youtube.com where you would like to upload. Go with the profile option, which is on the top right. And from here, you can go with create, or just simply go with the top right here where you will have the create option and click on upload video. And this will take you to the YouTube Creator Studio. Now from here, you need to go with select files and you need to just choose any file that you are comfortable with. And here, if you're uploading a short, make sure that the resolution is 608 multiplied by 1080. If you have that resolution, then it will recognize it as a short and you can enter some details, or you can go with the description, thumbnail, or any other options. Like here it says it's made for kids, then you can go with yes, or if it's not, then you can go with no, and you can go with next, which is here on the bottom right, and your short will be uploaded. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.